prepare broiled lobster tails. Using a kitchen scissor, make an incision in the middle and cut all the way from the base of the tail to the top. Doing so makes it a lot easier to remove the meat from the tail. Set it aside in a dish. Now it's time to prepare the lemon butter sauce. For that we require a stick of butter to be heated on medium heat until it melts completely. You will also require 2 lemons. Using a lemon squeezer, extract the lemon juice and add the lemon juice to the melted butter. Place the lobster tails in an oven pan and put it to broil for 3 minutes on high. Besides the delicious taste of the lobster tail, it's also about the presentation, and how you present it does wonders. After 3 minutes on broil, you'll notice the striking orange color of the tails. Absolutely beautiful. Ensure the lobster meat is cooked evenly on both sides. The meat must look opaque. Broil for a further 6 minutes on high. After 6 minutes, remove the lobster tails, and it's now time to plate it. There you go, delicious broiled lobster tails with lemon butter sauce. Enjoy!